Have you been wanting to learn to digitize your own embroidery designs? If so, this workshop is for you. This course is for the beginner. Maybe this is your first time trying to digitize. Or maybe you've tried but did not have good results. Or maybe you just want to better understand the basics of what you've been doing. We'll start with the fundamentals and then expand your knowledge as we focus on the 3 main stitch types and 3 main digitizing tools. We'll start with simple artwork and then work up to a challenge design as you learn editing nodes, working with corners and curves, recommended settings, reshaping, and planning a design for maximum sewing efficiency. Included with this course are video and text lessons, images, and finished designs. So what are you waiting for? Get started now.